In the business news tonight, we hear that the indicators for the local economy are on an upward trajectory and a strong recovery in both foreign and domestic investment will be necessary. This is according to Central Bank Governor Cleviston Haynes. He says the role of the domestic financial sector is even more critical.
In recent years, credit demand has been weak and the banking sector has been marked by excess liquidity. We all know that in the past year, financial institutions have had to cope with the implementation of a new accounting standard and with the debt restructuring of the Barbados domestic government securities. However, the sector has proven resilient with capital remaining above statutory requirements. And therefore, I think it's poised to advance the growth of the economy as we go forward. Your foray into corporate lending provides an opportunity for you to diversify your business. At the same time, it presents a challenge as you compete with brands well established in this area with larger capital bases and access to mature risk management systems.
Mr. Haynes was speaking during the official launch of Consolidated Finance's corporate branch in the ever-growing Welch's Business District. He says the company has built an excellent reputation as a household name. Consolidated Finance is a subsidiary of ANSA Merchant Bank. That bank has a balance sheet of just over $2 billion Barbados dollars. Consolidated has been able to expand its range of financial products and services over the years, from vehicle leasing arrangements to fixed deposits and foreign exchange financing. The central bank governor says he is very pleased with the direction the financial institution is taking.
As your regulator, the bank has been able to monitor your growth, and we are satisfied with your commitment to enhance your systems for risk management to ensure compliance with regulatory standards. We welcome, therefore, your decision to expand your footprint in the domestic financial market at this time. It demonstrates confidence in your ability to manage an expanded portfolio. Equally important, it shows confidence in the future prospects of the Barbados economy and embodies your commitment to helping the Barbados economy to recover and strengthen over the medium term.
Barbados recorded a slight increase in unemployment for the third quarter of last year. For the period July to September, the unemployment rate stood at 10.7%, an increase of 2.5 percentage points from the rate of 8.2% recorded for the second quarter of 2018. Now, according to data produced by the Barbados Statistical Service, statistics derived from the Continuous Household Labor Force Survey indicated that the unemployment rate among males stood at 10.7% and 10.8% among females. For the period under review, the wholesale and retail trade sector generated jobs for the largest number of people, employing 19,900 people. This was followed by the accommodation and food services sector, which employed 17,300 people. Well, let's take a look now at how stocks traded on selected exchanges across the region.
In Jamaica, Sterling Investments Limited was the volume leader with 14,492,015 units. In Trinidad and Tobago, First Caribbean International Bank was the volume leader with 577,149 shares changing hands, all for a value of $4,905,766.50. And here in Barbados, the Insurance Corporation of Barbados Limited was the sole security trading 256 shares at $3.49 each.